In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a distribution list contact group in Microsoft Outlook. A distribution list, also called a contact group, lets you send one email to multiple people at once, saving time and keeping communication consistent. We'll walk through where to find your groups and how to add members so your messages reach everyone who needs them. Start by signing in to your Outlook account. After you log in, you'll land on your inbox. On the left side of the screen, look for the People option. The icon matches the one you're used to in Outlook. Click it to switch from your inbox to your contacts. When the People view opens, select Go to Groups. This takes you to the section that shows any groups or distribution lists connected to your account. Once you're in Groups, choose the group you want to manage. This can be an existing distribution list that you're expanding with new members. If you don't see any groups, make sure you're using the correct Outlook account and that you have permission to view or manage groups for your organization or mailbox. Interface labels can vary slightly depending on your Outlook version, so don't worry if wording looks a little different. The options will be in the same general area. With the group open, click Members, then select Add Members. This is where you'll add the people you want included in the distribution list. Type the email addresses of your contacts. You can add several at once to make the process faster. If your organization uses a directory, Outlook may suggest names as you type. Choose the correct contact to avoid duplicates or outdated addresses. Take a quick moment to double-check spellings. Small typos can prevent someone from receiving important messages. After you've added everyone you want, click Save or Add, depending on what your version displays. Your changes are applied immediately, and the group now includes the new members. From this point on, when you compose an email, simply address it to the group name, and Outlook will deliver it to all members on the list. That's all it takes. You've successfully managed your distribution list in Outlook, making group emails quicker and more reliable. Keeping your list up to date ensures the right people always get the right information at the right time. If this guide helped you, or if you have questions about finding the People view or adding members, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.